In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable Discord overlay. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open the Discord desktop app and make sure you're signed in a web browser. Next, look at the bottom left corner of Discord and click the gear icon next to your profile. This will open user settings. On the left sidebar, scroll down to the Activity Settings section. Find and select Game Overlay. Inside the Game Overlay settings, look for the Enable In-Game Overlay option. Turn on the toggle to activate the Discord overlay. Once enabled, Discord can display useful information while you're playing, such as who's speaking and notifications, without requiring you to leave the game. You can also check the overlay settings to customize how it appears on your screen. Adjust its position and visibility so it doesn't cover important parts of your game. If the overlay doesn't appear, make sure Discord is running while your game is open. Some games or full screen modes may also prevent the overlay from working properly. Switching to borderless windowed mode can sometimes help. And that's it. You've learned how to enable and customize the Discord overlay so you can stay connected while gaming. And that's how to enable Discord overlay. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.